Hello everyone, welcome to another troubleshooting section video in EIGRP routing protocol. We have the same topology in our EIGRP previous scenarios. We are following the same topology. We have some issues in this topology. We are facing some reachability issues from the LAN 1. It has been reported that from LAN 1 we have some reachability issue into the other LANs, LAN 2, 3 and 4. So we have to check where is the issue, and currently still the problem is existing or not. First we can check the problem still existing or not. As we know that our IP addresses in this topology we are following, this is LAN 1, this is LAN 2, this is LAN 3 and this is LAN 4, and we are following the subnet range here 192.168.10.0/24, 20.0/24, 30.0/24 and 40.0/24. In WAN interfaces we are in between R1 and R2 100/30, R2 and R3 2000/30, in between R3 and R4 300/30, and in between R1 and R4 we are using the subnet 400/30. Okay, currently we are facing some issues from LAN 1 into other LAN. Just make a ping. We know that our IP addresses here, just make a ping into these other interfaces from LAN 1, for example from this PC. From this PC, just make a ping into this gateway. Here also we have one gateway towards LAN 3, into LAN 2 and into LAN 4. Just for testing purpose we can first ping into this 30.1 is the gateway towards the LAN 3 from this PC. Ping into 192.168 30.1. we have some unreachable message we are getting, so there is some issue. Then we will entering into this router as the administration, as an IT admin we will entering into this router. First we have to check, we are already using, we know that EIGRP AS100 we are running in this topology as the routing protocol. So first to check the neighborship is existing between the directly connected neighbors, that is from R1 to R2 and R1 to R4. Still the neighborship is existing or not. Show IP EIGRP neighbors. See, there is no any neighborship from R1, so there is some EIGRP protocol, maybe some interface may be down or maybe some physical issues. We have to check one by one. First you can check the what about the status of the interface here. Show IP interface brief. Check the status of our interface. All the interfaces are configured with status up and up, so there is no any issue in our interfaces. Now you can check is there any authentication mismatch is existing or not. Show run section authentication. See, there is one authentication is enabled for EIGRP 100, and by using the keychain 1 you can check in detail show running section or including key. This is a full configuration of the inside this router regarding including the key keyword key. So that is why we have used the keychain 1, and we have key 1, key passwords, key string password as password. This is a key string we are configured as password, and we have applied this on EIGRP 100. Then you can check it is applied in the interface or not. See, this is applied on the interface gig 00. Gig 00 is the interface towards this router 4. This is applied, but there is no any mention the mode of authentication. We have to mention the mode of EIGRP MD5 or other method of authentication. I will check in full detail. Show run. In the interface towards R4, we have applied the keychain, but we didn't activated the any authentication mode, and also towards the other router towards the R2 in this interface, there is no any configuration for the EIGRP keychain. Okay, let us check what about this router, it is applied or not. Show run. See, we have used the same keychain and key 1 and key string also same, that is password, and here the mode is activated as MD5 and the keychain is applied on the interface towards this router. So that is why we are not getting the neighborship, because it has been applied the authentication in the other side. So we have to apply the same thing in our interface also, so that the interface should be the neighborship should be come up. Let us do that one first. In this interface is gig 0 bar 1. In gig 0 bar 1 there is no any configuration, but we have keychain, key and key string, that is okay, perfect, no issue. But we have to apply this keychain inside this interface gig 0 bar 1. Okay, so let us enter into the interface gig 0/1 IP authentication keychain for EIGRP 100, and our name of the keychain is keychain 1, should be capital, keychain 1, correct, keychain 1, yes. Now the keychain is applied, and we have to enable the authentication of MD5 also. This one you can copy and paste there. IP authentication mode EIGRP 100 MD5, we have copied this one and apply here. That is also done. Now we can see the neighborship is come up. Right now the neighborship towards this router 1 and router 2 is okay, perfect. We have get the neighborship message. We can check show IP EIGRP neighbors. See, now the neighborship is came up. Now we can check this interface, the interface towards is router 4, and show run. Check the interface gig 0 bar 0, that is the interface towards the router 4. The keychain is applied, keychain 1 is applied, but there is not activated the MD5 authentication. We will do that one first. The interface is gig 0 bar 0. Interface gig 0 bar 0 IP authentication mode for EIGRP 100 MD5. Okay, that was the only missing command here. That is why now the neighborship is came up. Now it is seems to be all the issues has been resolved. Show IP route. Now in R1 all the routers has been listed in the routing table. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are WAN interfaces, WAN subnets, and LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3, and LAN 4. Now all our subnets has been found in the routing table, so it seems to be all the issue has been resolved. Now you can check the you can ping from this router into the all remote gateways. This gateway, and this gateway. We can make a ping from this router into all these interfaces. This interface, okay. That is 192.168.20.1, 30.1, and 40.1. Ping 192.168 20.1. Okay, 30.1, that is also okay, and 40.1 is also okay. Now you can check from this LAN PC before it was not working. 30.1, you can check the 30.2, the PC in the LAN 3. Now we are getting the reply. Now the issue has been resolved. The problem was the authentication between this R1 and R2 and R1 and R4 was not configured properly. That is why we were unable to reach.